welcome back. I'm so sorry I can't be in the video today, but I promise next week I will be doing a video with my mum. But my mum is doing crafts today, and give this video a big thumbs up for me to get well soon.
This is how to make Harry Potter cushion. Get an adult to help. Cut off handles. Stuff in cushion insert and sew. You can use a glue stick to seal it or an iron on hem. There you go. What do you think? They are so comfy. We got these cushions from Poundland. £1 each. This is a great Mother's Day present, but you will need an adult's help for the hot glue gun. You will need 2 packs of coasters from Poundland, 1 flameless candle, or a jar for artificial flowers. Have 4 coasters and arrange them. Ask adult to help. Use a hot glue gun to glue it each side and press together. Turn upside down to add bottom piece. Allow to dry. Arrange candle and flowers and tie a bow. rice, and it looks very pretty. 2 thumbs up to me. For this lovely Easter wreath, we used an old flower headband, a wreath base from Poundland, a hot glue gun, so ask an adult to help. Easter decorations from Poundland. We broke the headband down and wrapped the ribbon around. Then hot glued the leaves, first followed by the flowers. We got these wonderful unicorn decorations from Poundland and selected the yellow one as it went with flowers. Stick the white flowers around the unicorn and then smaller white flowers and piles to finish it off. You could use twine to hang it. Doesn't it look wonderful?
enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up for my illness to go away. And I'll see you guys on Eliza's World next time. Subscribe and like. Bye! Oh.